Hey everybody, it's Neil. Sorry, I don't have my tripod. That's why I am going down like this tool. I'll show you that, please. These are the Dixie plates, and this comes in a set. I think it comes in 125. I'm not sure if it comes in 125 or if it comes in 300 because I have that's a 4-pack. But actually, 125, 250, 400, 200 in this thing here. So whichever way it comes, it comes. But these are them here. These are nice plates. If you like the not those cheapy paper plates that just fall apart on you if you put something wet on it, soaks through. These ones here are kind of oil coated. They're nice. They've got some weight to them. They're by Georgia Pacific. It's who makes it, but Dixie's the brand that everybody knows. So these are good, nice, strong Dixie plates. I like this. I don't know if they call them the lunch size. That's what I always called these ones, but I guess they just call them plate size. So this is like a medium size. One to 8.5 inch. So I know they make like a 10 inch and then they make the 6 inch and some smaller ones. But this is the size I use. Keeps my portion control good, keeps everything good, and it's got a nice deep lid there so I can have my rice-a-roni or whatever it is I put in there, and it's gonna hold it. So I like these plates. These are good. Thumbs up from me on these. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.